This Lake Hamilton Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Ben Kilgore. Super charming mid-century modern house in a desirable neighborhood. 2-bedroom 1-bath with large brick fireplace, breakfast nook with exposed brick and sun porch. Original hardwood floors, new hot water heater, new chimney cap just installed, updated main electric box, sitting on nearly a half-acre lot. It does have central heat and air. The older window units were custom installed years ago and have not been in use. For more information, review the details below or contact Ben Kilgore at 501-282-4872.